welcome to Magic Main Street. Today we're going to be opening some Disney Tsum Tsum Series 1 Mystery Stack Packs. Okay, here's our first one. Let's see who we get. I think there's 10 different ones. Wait, I think it's Sebastian. Look, and he has a purple seashell. This looks like it's so cute. Let's see here. Oh my gosh, look at his smile and his little pincher claws. He's so cute. And look at the seashell. That's so adorable. Alright, here's our second package. I'm really hoping we find Marie in here. So hopefully that's who we get. Let's see. Oh, it's not Marie. Who's this? It's Stitch. Oh my gosh. It's everybody's favorite naughty alien experiment. Look at his ears. Let's get him out of here so you can see. He's really, really cute. I'm not sure what his accessory is either. It kind of looks like a spaceship. Let's see. See? Look at his ears. He's so cute. He's like a perfect Tsum Tsum character. And if you ever go on his ride at Magic Kingdom, you would know that he also has some really smelly chili dog breath. Let's see if we can get his ship put together here so he can go back to outer space. It's pretty cute. And look at that. He's just peeking over the top. Adorable. Alright guys, here's our third package. Hopefully we don't get a duplicate. Let's see here. Oh, this looks like Dumbo. Let's get him out of here because he looks very cute. He has his little yellow hat on and his cute little circus outfit with his red bandana. Okay, let's see, what is this accessory here? It looks like a camera, and I just don't understand this, guys. Why does Dumbo have a camera? I've seen Dumbo a lot of times. I don't remember a camera. So if you know why Dumbo has a camera, please put it in the comments below. And look at him. Look at his face. He's so cute. And his ears. He looks like he can just take off and fly. And he's got little pink cheeks. And he has a cute little tail. And he fits right up in his camera here. So it looks like when he's flying around, he just carries his camera with him. Okay guys, we're going to do package number 4. And I really, really hope it's Marie the kitty cat from Aristocats. Let's see who's in here. Oh, it doesn't look like Marie. This looks like a puppy, and I think on the back of my package it said that his name was Lucky. I think that is the cute little guy who got in trouble in the movie for sitting too close to the TV. He was jumping up on it. So this is a really cute accessory for him to have. And he's also really cute. He has a great paint job, and his cheeks are all pink. His spots are really clear and nice, and his red collar. And he sits right on top of the TV. So it's super cute and goes really well with the movie he came from. Alright, package number 5. I really hope we don't have a duplicate, so hopefully Lucky can give us some of his luck. Let's see who we have in here. Oh, this is Figaro, guys. So Figaro is from Pinocchio, but sometimes he also plays Minnie's cat, so that's pretty cool. He's like a double character. It looks like this is a fish bowl that he can sit on. Let's see if I can get this put together for you. Check him out. He's really cute. All of these guys are so cute because they have rosy cheeks. And he's got pink inside of his ears. And look, he sits right on there. He's probably watching the fish, trying to eat it. So hopefully he doesn't catch the fish. Okay guys, package number 6. And I really hope it's Marie. Marie, 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 Marie. Oh, Pooh. Winnie the Pooh, that is. And he's so cute. Let's see what else we got in here with him. It looks like he came with his honey pot. Dump this all out here. Okay, so his honey pot is really, really cute. It actually looks like he sits inside of it. It has a lid that you can take on and off. Has the honey dripping down. It says honey on the back. And then look at Pooh. He's so cute. He has rosy cheeks, but they're kind of hard to see. He doesn't have a tail. He looks just like himself in the movie, so he's really cute. And he sits inside, so this is the first one that went inside. So that's adorable. But it's not Marie. So let's keep going. Let's move on to number 7. Hopefully there's no duplicates. Let's see what we get in here. Oh no, it is a duplicate. It looks like we got a duplicate lucky. I think what we'll do, these guys are so cute, is we'll do a giveaway with our duplicates. So stay tuned to the end of the video and we'll tell you more about that. Let's do package number 8 here and see what we have. Oh my gosh, it's another duplicate. So now we're gonna have an even bigger giveaway. It's Dumbo and he's got his camera, remember, and he's really, really cute. Okay everyone, last package. I really hope my Marie's in here. Let's see. It's pink. Is it? Oh, no, it's not Marie, you guys. It's another cat. It's the Cheshire Cat. And even though it's not my Marie, it still looks like it's really, really cute. So let's see if I can get him out and show you his accessory. What is this? Oh, guys, it's the tree from Alice in Wonderland, where he appeared to Alice for the first time, and he's always hanging out. Let's see if I can put it together so you guys can see here. Pretty cute little tree. And look at him with his big smiling grin and his stripes. He's really cute, and it looks like he's gonna sit down in his tree here. Let's see. Oh my gosh, look. That's really, really cute, guys. So even though we didn't get Marie, we got a lot of really good guys today. Okay guys, we're all set here. Thanks for watching this video of our Tsum Tsum mystery stack pack openings. Remember, we're giving away all of our duplicates, so head over to our Instagram at Magic Main Street for your chance to win. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time. Bye!